In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Detroit's Become Human. So to download the foreign game or Detroit's Become Human, first of all, install Steam. So in my case, I happen to already install it. So all you have to do is open up a browser, type in steampower.com, and it's going to take you to their official page here. Go ahead and press on install Steam and just follow the instruction and install the Steam on your device. When you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account. And at the same time, what you need to do is you have to go and log in. When you're logged in, go to the store section, and here you need to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in the game that you're looking for, that is Detroit's Become Human. When you locate the game that you're looking for, you'll be taken to this page where you can go ahead and read all of these instructions and all that. And on the other page, you'll be able to see all of these information and go ahead and press on add to cart. When you've added the product to your cart, then it's going to take you to the summary page where you can go ahead and review all of the information and proceed to checkout. So in that way, you could go ahead and download or purchase the game, and after that, you could go ahead and create your account and start playing. So that's how you can install and play Detroit's Become Human on PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.